Well, hey guys, I'll be doing a new, it's more of a unboxing on my Survivor Herman boots. Pretty nice. Waterproof, insulated, and scent mask boots. Real tree. Size 10. Shoe name and all that as regard. Get to the boots. Well, let's start off with the left one. Yeah. This one, it is all nice boots, really. They're nice boots. Really are. Nice tread on the bottom. Some pretty good, nice tread. Herman. 1879. Okay, this is the right one. No, left one. That was the right one. Okay. Same thing. Waterproof. I think it's up till the string when it's waterproof quits. And again, nice tread. Well, thanks guys. That was my review on my new hunting boots. So, there you go. Bye guys. As always, have a nice day. And please rate and subscribe. Like it. Bye guys.